Is the fear of starting an online business holding you back from getting started? Do you have some beliefs in your mind that you have built up to be more than what it is? I understand how you feel because I had my fears and reservations about starting an online business, but I will say the fear of starting was not greater than the fear of what I was experiencing in the workspaces in corporate to not want to do something different and start my online business. Welcome to my channel. My name is Catherine Allen, and I help women who feel stuck and unfulfilled to start a profitable online business without quitting your job. It is real, the fear of starting, but we tend to have a tendency to blow things out in our minds bigger than what they really are. Have you ever experienced that? You may have been thinking about starting a business for some time, but the thoughts that you have in mind are the fear of someone seeing you, of being visible, of being judged by others. That is real because we don't want to appear a certain way in front of others, and also the fear of failure. There are so many things that can run around in your mind that can prevent you from wanting to start. I know exactly how that can be, but you really have to tap into why you want to do something different and let that be the driver for doing the thing, starting the business, instead of the fear or the thoughts of not starting. As I told you, I had those feelings as well, but I really had to examine what is going to be worse, starting a business or staying where I was. So for you, think about why you want to do something different. What pain are you experiencing in your life? Could it be that you spend so much time in your work that you know something has to change? You don't have the time for your family. You don't have the time for yourself. Your health could be impacted. Your physical health and your mental health could be impacted. So something has to change. You may also want to think about, I need to build for the future. You may not be happy where you are financially, and starting an online business could be the supplement to that, or you may want to start a business as a pivot at some point to leave your job. So focus more on those things versus the thoughts in your head about what would people say, I can't do this, all the judgment that you have on yourself. Also, when you think about starting your online business, do not expect perfection. What's really important is that you learn the skills so to start an online business, and that way you won't go it alone and just kind of wing trying to start. But if you get a real foundation for starting an online business, it is going to be much easier because you have a roadmap of how to get there. With any skill or any job, let's say, you have to gain a skill, some kind of direction before you can do the job. In most jobs, either you have prior experience. If you don't have prior experience, you're going to get help, or you're going to have a mentor, or you're going to get some guidance. You're going to have something written to give you instructions or a roadmap of how to do a particular job. It is no different in starting a business. If you have no prior experience in starting a business, particularly in an online business, then it would make sense to get some guidance or to get some direction as to how to go about that. That is going to help you help alleviate those fears that you have. It's going to give you more confidence. It's going to be that roadmap. So yes, you know you're on the right track, And just like with any job or anything that you do, nothing is, you're not perfect because humans are not perfect. So you're just going to take the leap, get the instructions, get the guidance that you need to start your online business. And when you do that, you will build the confidence. You will have the knowledge. You will have the roadmap to help you start and grow. And to really help you with that, to make it so much easier, and to have a mentor or a community around you, I would like to tell you about a program that will help you to learn the fundamentals of digital marketing, or like what I like to call learn the business of online business. And the beauty of digital marketing or being in the online space is that there are various ways that you can get started. You can get started simply by getting someone else's product that is already made. That is called done for you. So in the online space, you can take someone else's product that they have created, and they give you the right or the license to now sell and market that product as your own. So that is the easiest way that I would recommend that you go to start your online business, because when you do that, you already have a product. And if it is a product that is needed in the market, and there is a large segment of people who need what you are offering in that product, it will be easy to get started that way. So this particular product that I'm talking about, it is a done for you. And the beauty of the package that comes with the product, it is that you get a community with it. You get to be a part of a community, and this community with the mentor checks in once a week, and you can bring your questions regarding the course, just questions regarding your selling. It's just a very easy way to get started, and to get started without being alone. The reason that I would really like to tell you about the product, because this is the product, the program, the course that helped me to really understand digital marketing in the online space. It was life changing, because I had already, I heard about digital marketing, making money online, and funnels and all of that, but I had no clue. The course is put together so well that it is so easy to comprehend and really learn the business of online business. And I will tell you, once you get the fundamentals, then you can build on that, because that's what I have done. Since learning these fundamentals, I have built on it, and I have another program as well for individuals who want to bring their skill set from corporate and to start a online business or service offering. But getting back to the course, if you have no clue about how to start an online business, what to do, to learn about automations and all of that, this is a course for you, because not only do you get the course, you get mentorship, because once a week there are office hours in this particular offering, and it comes with a community of other people who are doing the same thing. So instead of starting an online business doing it alone, you'll have access to a mentor. You can bring your questions. You have a community of other individuals who are doing the same thing. So I would like to just encourage you to start building your business, not by yourself if you have no clue, but to look into this particular program that has the course. It comes with the right to resell the course as your first digital product. You have access to a mentor who's been in the online space for over a decade, and you can bring your questions and just tap into that knowledge of someone who has experience. So The information about this program, Digital Profits U, is in the description below. So take a look at that. And as I stated, that's where I got my initial knowledge. And then so I brought that initial knowledge, my knowledge from corporate America, my experience in sales, and put together another offer. And that is for individuals, particularly coming out of the corporate world. Like, you have all this experience in corporate. You may have been in HR, IT, project management, marketing, finance, accounting. You have valuable skills that you own. You own those skills. You only lend them out to your employer, but they're your skills. You can take those skills, package it up, and offer it to small business owners or entrepreneurs who don't have that in house experience. They don't have a full time person, but they need your expertise. So I help women take that skill, package it up, you bring it in the online space, because nowadays, since the pandemic in particular, it is not uncommon for businesses to do business without being face to face. So you can package up your knowledge in such a way. You could be a consultant and provide, or offer your service as a done for you, or you could just check in with them to even help them with their team. Either way, you package it up and you offer it as a service to them, and you can start your own service business in the online space. This is an example of what I mentioned. When you get the fundamentals of digital marketing or an online business, you get that knowledge, then you can expand on it and create your own offer. For me, I got the knowledge, but I don't want to hold the knowledge or what that knowledge can do for someone who want to leave their job or create additional income. So that is why I want to help individuals who just want to learn about digital marketing and just resell a product. If you just want to resell a digital product, that's Digital Profits U. That's the one program. If you are coming from corporate and you want to start your own business in the skill that you already have, I can help you with that. Or, the other thing too, you can bring your own life experience and start an online business. Maybe you have overcome alcohol. Maybe you have gotten through a traumatic divorce and you learn how to rebuild your life. There are so many people who are experiencing that, because relationships, the area of relationships is very popular in the online space, because people want that transformation in their life. Or you may have lost a ton of weight and you've got your body back the way it was decades ago, and now you want to offer that. There are so many ways in the online space that you can create your business, but it all starts with learning the fundamentals. Now, for those individuals who are wanting to bring their skill set from corporate, or you want to bring your life experience, in that program, you also will have access to learning the fundamentals of digital marketing. That is so important. You can't get away from it. But if you're someone who just really wants to just sell, that's one thing. That's Digital Profits U. But at any rate, I have both of the links below that you can check out and see which one will be better for you, or it fits what you would like to do or bring to the market. It is important that whatever desire that you have to create a different life for yourself, that you get what you need to get you on the path. Do not let fear, do not let thinking about what others may say, do not let the fear of failure, judgment, none of that. Your why should be the driver. Why do you want to make this change? Why do you want to start an online business? Let that be the driver for you in the path that you will take. I thank you for coming by to check out my video, and I will be having other videos that will be similar in helping women in particular to create the life that you want and have the confidence to make the moves you need to make to have a better life and provide a way to go on that path financially by starting your own business, your own online business. So I hope to see you in the next video.